Find features that differentiate it from other brands for HP MC450, Smart Mini Portable Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Official app certified Smart Mini Projector with voice control. Enjoy seamless streaming with official app certified smart projection and built-in streaming apps, so no external TV stick or extra devices are required. Use the voice-enabled remote to search content, open apps, and control playback hands-free for a smooth home theater projector experience. Short throw projector for bedroom and small spaces. With a 0.9 short throw ratio, this projector creates a 70-inch screen from only 4.6 feet or 1.4 meter. Perfect as a projector for bedroom, dorm rooms, apartments, and compact living spaces where traditional projectors require longer projection distance. Portable mini projector with USB-C power, no built-in battery, powered via USB-C, PD. This mini projector requires an external power source such as a wall adapter or compatible power bank 45 watts. Lightweight and compact with an included travel bag, it's easy to carry for travel, camping, RV trips, and outdoor movie nights. Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector with screen mirroring. Supports wireless mirroring from iPhone, Android phones, tablets, and laptops so you can easily share videos, photos, and presentations. The built-in 3-watt speaker delivers clear sound for everyday entertainment. Portable outdoor projector for movie nights and gifts. Turn any space into a cinema with this portable outdoor projector. Perfect for backyard movie nights, camping trips, patio entertainment, and family gatherings. A thoughtful gift for family, kids, and movie lovers. Easy setup with auto Keystone and remote focus. Quickly adjust the image using remote focus and automatic vertical Keystone correction with 4-point calibration, ensuring a clear and properly aligned picture in seconds. 90 degrees rotatable design for wall or ceiling projection. The 90 degrees rotatable design allows flexible projection angles for walls or ceilings. Enjoy comfortable bedroom movie viewing from bed, making it an ideal ceiling projector for relaxed entertainment. HD Mini Projector supports 1080p playback and 4K input. Native HD resolution with support for 1080p playback and 4K input decoding delivers vibrant images for movies, shows, and gaming. With 150 ISO lumens brightness, it performs best in dim environments such as bedrooms and indoor movie setups. HDMI ready for streaming sticks and game consoles. HDMI connectivity allows easy connection to Fire TV stick, Roku, laptops, gaming consoles, and media players, expanding your viewing options beyond built-in apps. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.